If you or someone you love has been seriously injured by the carelessness of another, our team of attorneys, paralegals, and investigators at Bradley, Drendel, and Janae can help you. We have over 5 decades of successfully representing injured people in Northern Nevada. Our staff has the knowledge and experience to protect your rights in any type of case. We have a lengthy track record of success in both trials and settlements. Surprisingly, many attorneys do not, although they claim to. As our client, you can be sure that you will receive all the personalized attention and dedication to your case that we can possibly offer. Feel free to call us when you need us. We are Bradley, Drendel, and Janae.
At Bradley, Drendel, and Janae, we're proud to say we've been helping protect the rights of injured people in Northern Nevada for over 50 years. We are a Martindale-Hubbell AV-rated firm, which is the highest rating possible for ethics and competency in practicing law. We are members of the Inner Circle of Advocates, the American College of Trial Lawyers, and the American Association of Justice, all highly respected lawyer organizations. We teach classes, testify during legislative hearings, and passionately represent our clients. We've been a part of this community for decades, and we're proud to continue serving the people of Northern Nevada with our very best. Johnson & Johnson and Dupai Orthopedics recently recalled their ASR hip replacement system. These companies finally took this action after getting reports that their hip implants were failing less than 5 years after they were implanted. In some of these cases, these hip implants lasted a year or less. But the recall came too late for thousands of patients across the United States who have now had to have their ASR hip replaced, undergoing yet another painful and risky surgery. If you or a loved one received a hip implant since 2005 and have been told by your surgeon that it was recalled, you must act now to protect your rights. Please contact one of our lawyers at Bradley, Drendel, and Janae if you are one of the unfortunate victims of this recalled, dangerous product.
If you are involved in a motor vehicle accident, here is some important advice for you to follow. Do not take blame or admit fault. Explain the facts of the accident to the police so an accurate report can be filed. Next, document and record as much as possible about the accident. Obtain information from other involved parties and witnesses, and take pictures with a camera or your cell phone. This information and evidence is essential and can help you later in your case. Also, go to the doctor or emergency room for an examination of any possible injuries. Call your insurance company to report the accident, but do not provide any official statements. Finally, let our experienced attorneys at Bradley, Drendel, and Janae represent and help advise you through your case.
If you are seriously injured, your choice of a law firm is one of the most important decisions you will make. So how do you select the right lawyers for your case? The first question to answer is, does the law firm have experience in your type of case? Next, will that firm provide you with the personal attention you deserve? Does that firm have roots in the community, and is it well respected by other lawyers and judges? Finally, ask about their track record of success in cases like yours. They should be able to tell you the answer to all of these questions. You should feel comfortable with the law firm you are trusting to help protect your rights. Our team of attorneys at Bradley, Drendel, and Janae are prepared to guide you through your case to a successful outcome.
A wrongful death case involves the loss of a loved one through the negligence or carelessness of someone else. It is the most tragic, difficult, and emotionally charged type of case that we handle. You will need to seek out a lawyer who has experience and specializes in wrongful death cases. We have the resources and experience to guide you and your family through the many difficulties and challenges that will confront you. Our team is prepared to find the appropriate professionals that will provide comfort and assistance to help you cope with your devastating loss. In the meantime, our lawyers will be working on your case to achieve the best possible result that the circumstance will allow. Our firm is available to you for your most pressing needs whenever you require our assistance.
Medical malpractice cases occur when a healthcare provider fails to provide appropriate care to a patient, and as a result of that failure, the patient is severely injured. There is a significant difference between appropriate healthcare with an unfortunate outcome and inappropriate healthcare with an unfortunate outcome. There are a range of mistakes that are covered in medical malpractice cases. There may have been an incorrect diagnosis. An error or delay in treatment or improper treatment may have occurred. There may be negligence in prescribing drugs and medications. Various healthcare providers may have failed to communicate important information. Our justice system permits people who are victims of medical malpractice to hold healthcare providers or hospitals accountable for these serious injuries. A qualified attorney experienced in medical malpractice cases can help evaluate your case to determine if your case has merit and if you are entitled to compensation for you or a loved one's death or injury.
Accidents and the injuries that go along with them come in all shapes and sizes. There are motor vehicle accidents that involve cars, motorcycles, trucks, and pedestrians. Bicycle, boating, and recreational accidents are all too common. Dog bites, slip and falls, even household products and medications can cause serious injury. If you or a loved one are involved in any type of these accidents, it's important to protect your legal rights. Our team of attorneys at Bradley, Drendel & Janae are prepared to guide your case to a successful outcome. If you are seriously injured, remember this important advice to follow when dealing with insurance companies. Insurance adjusters work for the insurance company. They do not work for you. Insurance companies make money when they tell you not to hire an attorney and they try to force a minimum settlement on you. Before you sign anything or give an insurance company any statements, please call me or my partners at Bradley, Drendel & Janae to discuss how we can protect your rights. Insurance companies make money when they violate your rights, not protect them.